Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Dennis. Welcome to our today's math lesson. Today I want to take you through how to get the square roots of fractions. With me, I have an example of a fraction whereby we are told to get the square roots. The fraction is 4 over 16. So for us to get the square root of a fraction, we simply get the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator. So in this case, getting the square root of 4 over 16, we are simply going to get the square root of 4, the numerator, which is 2, over the square root of the denominator, 16, which is 4. So we realize that when you are asked to get the square root of a fraction, you simply get the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator. So in this case, the numerator is 4, the square root is 2. The denominator is 16, so its square root is 4. So our answer becomes 2 over 4. Something very important to note about the square roots of fractions is that whenever you get an answer which can be simplified, it is important to note that we don't simplify the square roots of fractions. Why am I saying this? 2 over 4 is the square root of 4 over 16. The answer we get as square roots should be able to take us back to the perfect squares that we have been given. This one only happens when you multiply the square root by itself. You'll be able to go back to what you were given as a question. But if you dare simplify, then the answer you get will not be able to take you back when you multiply by itself. For instance, if you simplify, this is 2, 1, 2 here, 2. So your answer is a half. So if you take a half, multiply by a half, the answer you get will be 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 is not what you were given initially. That's why in getting square roots of fractions, the answer we get as square roots, we are not supposed to simplify. So that means that our answer will remain as 2 over 4. So we don't simplify. So the answer becomes 2 over 4. That's how we get the squares of fractions. I repeat, the squares of fraction is obtained by getting the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. So our answer becomes 2 over 4. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share. Remember to like. And remember to press the notification bell.